wreckers like her doesn't need any reaction. If she's thinking that I will do something here to make, an eksena or whatever, no, I will not do that. She's too low, and I will not dignify her with anything. Baka ibang tao nasampal siya, pero ako hindi ko pa dadapuin yung kamay ko dahil baka madumihan.
No. Well, as of now, I don't think of that. Kasi nga, sabi ko, technically, I'm still Mrs. Tan. Kasi hindi naman ako nag-file for annulment. And wala pa akong balak mag-file for annulment. Kasi baka maging masaya sila. Diba? Huwag natin sila pasayahin. Sorry, girls. Buyer beware.